Hello, Victoria. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And I believe my wife Megan spoke with Vincent recently about a quick website audit and was nice enough to pass along your information so that we can show you where your company is ranking currently and how 360 Painting Miami stacks up to its competition. In the video, I'll go over a few specifics on search engine optimization, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online will have a huge benefit for your business, specifically in terms of gaining new customers. So three things I wanted to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. Our content is going to be everything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Google combs through that, searches for keywords and relevant content, and then appropriates the necessary ranking to you based on that, or at least part of that. Based on your website, obviously y'all are a part of the bigger 360 Painting network, and so the website you've done is clearly very professional, very well built out, lots of content. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with the high buyer intent keywords. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like commercial painters Miami, painting companies in Miami, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when people search for those, your website will be the one that pops up first. And as you can see, you have several different keywords chunked in here. You have painting services in Miami, so it's obviously very SEO driven and well done. Now, one of the things that I did want to bring to your attention is in particular in relation to your keywords. So a tool that we use to measure different things like keywords, backlinks, which I'll explain in a second, and overall website health is called Ahrefs. Now, first off, as far as backlinks go, the thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal, and you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that's related to your industry. For example, commercial painter blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services. And taking a look here at your Miami page, you'll see you have 12 backlinks from 7 referring domains, which is driving 347 unique visitors to your site. Now, you're drawing a lot of power from the 360painting.com homepage, and that filters down to the separate location pages. However, what I noticed is in your organic keywords, when you look at it, your top result, which yields about 2/3 of your overall volume, is house painting near me. Now, these near me keywords, these can be a bit of a toss-up because, as you can see, several of the other ones that you are ranking somewhat well for are painters Miami, painting in Miami, Miami painting, where it specifically lists Miami. The house painting near me, that is a bit of a toss-up because it's not entirely clear where those searches are coming from. So if you're having someone searching house painting near me and they end up being in Seattle, Washington, then they're obviously not going to get a whole lot of traffic, at least to the Miami side. I don't know if 360 Painting has a branch in Seattle or not, but that would be my only concern because it is drawing a lot of volume and visits to your site, whereas you would get probably a lot more buyer intent customers and users to these separate ones that you're not ranking as well for, and basically just kind of retooling your website to target those specific keywords as opposed to just house painting near me. Again, the volume is great there, but that's across the nation more often than not. That's why it's so high. So just something I wanted to bring to your attention, and would be curious to know if a lot of those visitors to your site are actually from the Miami area. I wanted to take a look at your top competitor here for painters in Miami. This is Paint Pro Miami, and you've probably heard of them. Again, they don't have a whole lot of backlinks and referring domains. However, they do have an organic traffic of 456, and a lot of their volume is coming from those high buyer intent keywords because they're just ranking really well for those ones that say whatever in Miami. So something that food for thought, I guess, if you will. And one last thing that I wanted to go over with you is something called citations. Now, citations are very important because when someone wants to search for your particular service, specifically I did Painting Companies Miami, you'll get your paid ads here on top, and then you get what's called the Google Map Pack. And the reason that this is so important is because, as you can see, it takes up a lot of real estate on the front page of Google. And so it takes a lot for people to scroll past it. And it's not because these ones up here are not because they're bigger companies or they have more reviews or better reviews or whatever the case may be. It's simply the fact that they have more citations. And citations are just the name, address, and phone number of your business located across the various directories online: Yelp, Houzz, Porch, HomeAdvisor, Angie. Hundreds of them out there. They just happen to have more. So as you can see, Serpro, they're very into the citation game because they have two of their locations. It's probably one of your top competitors listing here. So they have a lot of representation. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you're able to learn something from it. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it further, please feel free to give Megan a call. Her number is 210-865-0718. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.